Apparently I'm live. Who knows? But hunter ties joining. About to blood trail my deer. Feeder and stand right there. I found the kill point. This is where I shot him, because nothing else starts around here. It gets pretty thick right here. Look at this. Blood trailing my buck. He ran a good distance though, so probably have to keep walking here. It's just a straight line, a beeline, blood trail here. Oh, I see him down already. There he is. The blood kind of stopped. Oh, here we go. Never mind. Didn't stop at all. Right up on the tree here. He beelined and he's right over here. Ooh. Boom. Got a screenshot some of that. Good. Good. He's looking at me. I think I obliterated him. He ain't the biggest, but he is a buck that was chasing the heck out of this doe, running. I had to yell at him. Okay, he's actually pretty freaking good size. Hope he's dead. Big buck down. As you can see, kind of dominated him. Hey, not too bad a shot. Boom. Well there, he appears to be a decent buck. Thank you guys for watching. 27 people. Yeah, buddy. Ooh, got another buck just run away from me here. He was sitting here and watching me. He was a younger, smaller buck, but he was just sitting here and watching. Blood for days, boy. Well, that's pretty beastly. First deer, quite the buck. He actually only ran 30 yards. I am a happy camper. Thank you guys for watching. I will be getting this old feller mounted. That is for sure. And I got a better shot than my brother. Well, I don't think my shot was too bad. Kind of right on the money if you ask me. So thank you for your comment, but I'm doing all right. Thanks again. See you later. I don't need to block him. I'm the one at the buck down. Haven't seen his video at the buck down. I'm happy with my shot. Alright, thanks y'all for watching. Have a good day. Here's my buck. Actually my first deer kill as well. Not too shabby a shot. Ruger American 30-06. Now, tons of blood. Now, if you look down there in the bed, see that white belly? That's Hunter's kill. Let's go take a look at him. There's old Hunter's buck. I can't quite see mine from here. Well, you can, but it may be hard. Right up there. Good old gravity feeder. Can't believe my brother and I both got these bucks today. Incredible. Golly, Hunter's looks pretty dang tall, I guess. Whew. I think this is the one I saw chasing that doe the other morning out in front of our property. Well, you can sort of see mine right there. Good deal. Shooting our 30-aughts. What's today? November 23rd or 24th? Maybe the 24th. Thanks for watching. Porter, Oklahoma.